Hello and Jashi Delek from Stories of Tibetans. I'm Kunsang Tenzin and this video message is in response to Sameera Khan's recent statement on Twitter about His Holiness the Dalai Lama calling him the world's most loved ex-slave owner, amongst other misinformation and hateful things. Sameera, based on what you have said, I, on behalf of our Tibetan community, have 3 questions for you. The first one is, what's the source of your information, and if you even considered the possibility that this information could be wrong? Second, did you think of verifying this information from various other open sources on the internet? Third, what is the certain reason for you to post these statements? So simply answer these questions. One of our main works at Stories of Tibetans is related to oral histories, which means collecting stories from different generations in the Tibetan community, particularly from the older ones. And we have never came across such baseless ideas in our research. I urge all our viewers to share this with their family and friends and make a short video of them asking Sameera Khan to apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama and our collectively saddened Tibetan community. Do tag us so we can share your videos and use hashtag #apologize_now. Thank you. 다 단다 딩이냐 인지기는 슈건넥시데 사미라 칸구랑게 니 자독스 타게가니야 공수처리야 세메망부시요레 니데 아니 디 스무스 디 년도디 단예기 배반 넘버 처리야 에 다가능시 배배 지도나노리야 유튜브 블로거 디나 망부요레 상물로리야 리그 가리요다 보이면나 아니 년도 튠드인치소제 아니 사미라리야 아니 공수처리야 독스 세메시요리야 고한다 쇼고요스 독스 아니 년도 가마마 소로시 년도 디나노리 키란데 인데 이 다가능시 키란기 카바 닥터 카바 페주시제 키랑게 낭미 나노 미럽게 바 당능시 적고 종무 인지미지 디난도로 치스 다가이 토제나